From whom?
The Hack family.
The Hawk family.
Danica, Gabby, Christopher, Benjamin. Chips?
Oh, why'd this fall off?
It's okay.
There.
Chips? I guess they didn't know how to get you.
Yeah, it's fine.
Cheetos.
No, it's the box.
It's only the box there, probably.
Nope.
No, that ain't the box.
Oh, why open that?
Yeah.
It's a snack.
Papa, can I open yours and Mama's?
Okay.
No. Alina, remember this one's from off now. Oh, yeah? To both of us. Okay. This one's to both of us. Wait, no. You go first, Monkey. Okay, Alina. You ready? Let's go. Oh, my gosh.
Makeup kit.
She has another one. Look. I have another two. Look, Alina already has this one.
That Christmas, that was her birthday.
Okay.
Put that back up.
They're the same thing?
No. Okay, Alika. Papa, can I open yours? Oh, read looming. That's wicked.
Sure.
We. Okay, let's open Papa's and Mama's. Ready? Get set.
From whom?
It's from Dust Lizard.
From whom?
Austin, Alton, and Alex.
And what is it?
It's from Lynn. Okay.
Didn't